All right, so as marketers, we have to try to make sure we understand our customers, and in many cases that means consumers. And in particular, we need to understand the way that consumers make decisions. One thing that can help us with that is to understand the types of decisions that consumers make. So here we see three types of decisions. One is called routinized response. This is the kind of decision where you don't really have to think much about it. It's a routine, as the words imply. So put in the context of making a purchase, this is when we go to the store and we buy more of something that we are used to buying on a regular basis. For instance, maybe toilet paper or some product like that, where we don't comparison shop or do that sort of thing, or we just go in, we buy the same one we got last time, and we go on with our day. The next type of decision is called limited problem solving. And this, as the name implies, would involve a little more thinking, a little more consideration. Maybe we consider different products in making our purchase. Or maybe we consider how much to buy. Whatever it is, we're going to spend more time and effort making this decision or making this purchase. Maybe it's a slightly more expensive product. Maybe it's something we just don't buy as often. Whatever the reason, limited problem solving involves more effort and more thinking. Oftentimes more time as well. Lastly, we have extensive problem solving. This is when we're making a decision, and in the context of marketing, making a purchase that we're really going to labor over. We're really going to consider it thoroughly. We may do a great deal of research. We may consult friends. In many cases in today's world, that means we're getting on the internet and we're searching around to see what's out there. This happens when maybe it's a new purchase for us. It's something we've never bought before. Or a lot of times this happens when it's an expensive item. Maybe we're buying a new car and we aren't quite sure what we want or what's best, or maybe it's a very technical product and we need to learn more about the product. Whatever the case, extensive problem solving is the type of decision that's going to involve the most time, the most effort, and probably the most information search. So as marketers, we need to think about what type of purchase most people will make that might involve our product. If we can understand that, then we can better understand how to sell our product or how to promote our product to the customer. This is why it's important for us to understand the types of decisions that consumers make.